So here we have the integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx, and this is a clear product between x cubed and e to the 2x, and because it's a product we know that it's integration by parts. Now I'm going to start off by letting u equal x cubed, that way we can simply differentiate that and get 3x squared as our du. We'll let dv equal e to the 2x, and then as we integrate that, our v will become e to the 2x over 2. Now for integration by parts, we go across and then down over. So we'll start with going across with x cubed e to the 2x all over 2, and then we'll subtract the integral of 1/2, pull the 1/2 out there, and then we're also going to pull a 3 out from here. So we'll actually be subtracting 3 over 2, so minus 3 over 2 times the integral of x squared e to the 2x dx. And then from here, we can do another integration by parts. As you can see, we have another product. So what we'll do again is we'll let u equal x squared. Our du will then become 2x. Our dv once again will be e to the 2x, and then our v again will be e to the 2x over 2. And now we'll go across and over again for our integration by parts. We'll carry on the initial bit here, x cubed 2x e to the 2x, over 2, minus 3/2, and now we're going to put these in brackets. We'll go across x squared times e to the 2x over 2, so we'll say x squared e to the 2x over 2, minus again another integral. This time we'll be doing 2 out front over 2, so that's just 1, so we'll just leave that there, and we'll just say x e to the 2x dx. And now that we're here, we've got another product in our integrand right there. So we'll go ahead and let u equal x, and then du, of course, will now just be dx. dv will once again be e to the 2x, and v, again, will be e to the 2x over 2. So now we'll go ahead and do all of this once more. X cubed e to the 2x over 2 minus 3/2 times x2x e2x over 2 minus, and now we've got this one, so we'll go across and down, and we'll pop these in brackets, so we'll say minus 1/2 x e to 2x, or actually I'll go ahead and rewrite that in the same format as earlier, so we'll say x e 2x over 2 minus the integral of 1/2 e to 2x dx. And now that we're here, we're basically ready to try and solve this thing. All we have left is this simple integral here to finish, which we can go ahead and wrap up. We can rewrite this whole thing, x cubed e to the 2x over 2 minus 3/2 times x squared e to the 2x over 2 minus x e 2x over 2 once more, minus 1/2 times e to the 2x over 2. And all of this, again, because this is an indefinite integral, has a plus c at the end. And so now let's try and just work this through. So we've got x cubed e to 2x over 2 minus 3/2 x squared e to 2x over 2 minus x e 2x over 2 minus e to 2x over 4. That's our first little simple simplification part. And the rest of this is generally just distributing minuses and other factors there. So this should be quite simple. X cubed e to the 2x over 2 minus 3/2 times x squared e to the 2x over 2 minus x e to the 2x over 2 plus e to the 2x over 4. And then we'll just multiply each of these by negative 3/2. So then we've got x cubed e to the 2x over 2 times negative 3x squared e to the 2x over 4 plus 3x e to the 2x over 4 minus 3e to the 2x over 8. All of this, again, don't forget to do the plus c at the end. And another way that you may see this written is if you just pull this e to the 2x out front, you can say e to the 2x times x cubed over 2 minus 3/4 x squared plus 3/4 x minus 3/8. All of that plus c. That's another way that you may see this written. But this is the solution to what would otherwise appear to be a fairly straightforward integral. But if you didn't know how to use integration by parts, you would not be able to do it because you had to do integration by parts quite a few times to finally get down to this solution. If you have any other questions, or if you'd like me to try any specific maths or physics problems, please let me know in the comments below. I hope that you found this helpful.